Hello and welcome to Styck. Stuart here, and in this video I'm just going to give you a run through of the basic navigation. So when you log in for the first time, your screen will look something like this, where you'll have an option to either choose a project or go to and add or edit a project. So here what I'm going to do is just select a project. Now, it's going to show me the project dashboard. This will be the standard screen we see when we log in. And just to explain the layout of the screen, across the top here we've got our menu options. So when I click on any of these, it will take me to a drop-down menu. So then I can select where I want to go in the software. Over here on the right-hand side, I've got my settings button. So when I click on that, it will take me to settings. And I've got like some different options there. On the left-hand side, I've got this stick icon. Clicking on that stick icon will always take you back to this dashboard. Beneath that, I've got my project name. When I click on that, it will open up a project details side panel, so I can see a little bit more information over there. And underneath that project name and address, I've got that change project icon. So when I click on that, it just brings me back to that choose a project menu where I can change between jobs. With the project dashboard itself, on the left hand side here, I've got some of the project details. I've got the map there. I can click through to that. That is a link through to Google Maps as well. Beneath that, I've got the status of the job where I can see there's a current project. And then beside that, I've got some basic dashboard information. Now I've got my timeline where I can see how far through the job we are in time there with my start and end dates for the project. Beneath that, I've got my project total and claim to date and a bar graph just indicating how far through we've claimed this project. And down here, I've got these donut graphs here showing how many of our communications are open, what amount of our variations are approved, and what claims we have waiting assessment. So we can see all them, and we're able to go through to these and action them from there as well. Down the very bottom here of our dashboard, we've got a drop-down option there for dashboards as well, and that'll allow us to split through to a different particular type of dashboard. So I'll select that there. I'm now looking at the subcontractor information dashboard, where the other one I was looking at the client information dashboard. So there it is. That's the sort of basic navigation with Styck. So you've got your dashboard here and your menu across the top and your settings to the right. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us and reach out to support.